Hi everybody. I just bought the last, mainly the last animatronic that I want for this year, aside from a couple other ones, which is Electrified Corpse and Bluetooth Skelly that I want. I will probably get some other ones though. And today I got Fire Demon. So we're just gonna unbox him. You can't see him, but Fire Demon. So I am very excited. He was one of my favorites from the start, and I just had so much trouble finding him. So very happy to have finally got him. Okay. Alright. Come on. This guy is weatherproof, which is interesting. I don't trust that though. I never, except for Max Draw. His is closed. Arm and arm. Chest. Set that there. Here's two of his horns. Cool. Here's his hands. Here's his one of his lights. Need my scissors. Here's his head. Whoa. Oh, there's his head. He looks really close to the black part, which is kind of disappointing, but he's cool. Okay, so now we got a couple ties to do. Okay. What are we still strapped? What are we still? So here's this like shoulders, I think. Here's his like chest piece or whatever. Up there. I am running out of room quick. I don't know where I'm gonna fit this guy, but we'll figure it out. So many zip ties on this guy. It's kind of weird. He has a black adapter box there, white, but poles. We still strapped. Oh no! Oh, it's right there. Okay. So. Control box. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off. There we go. Alright, control box. And the base. This guy's base is pretty big. And then they have stakes in there, but I don't need those. Okay, so, and then we also got this piece. I don't know what that's for, but, sorry. So, you gotta attach B to B and B to B. Alright, B to B, B to B. Nice and easy. And then fix the support poles. And then I'm assuming there's a cotter pin, which I do want to put in real quick. It is loading. Here's his instructions, but where's the cotter pin? Because there are holes for cotter pin, and I think those might matter. Whatever. I don't think it's the biggest deal. I think those are pretty secure anyway. Alright. Continuing the build, we got these next two poles. Okay. Then we got, I did not mean to set back my volume. Sorry about that. Okay. Time for his control box. There we go. I am going to consult the instructions because I'm a little bit unclear. Okay. Yeah. This is next. It's so hot in here. I said that in the last video too, but it's hot. Okay, now we need like a bar, which I think is this. It can't be that. That's too big. Which piece is that? It's like a bar. This is in the box. It is not in the box. Where's that little bar piece? I know it came with a bar piece. I had to have. Is it in the clothing? Nope. Where's that little bar piece? Well, that's just great. Yeah, I do not have a little bar piece. What is this? This is F. So, metal wire, part F. So this is right, but it doesn't fit on. Oh, it goes back here. I see. Okay. That was confusing, but we got it. Which way? All right, and then now this like white cloth. I'm assuming this is for the light. Boom, boom. Okay. I see what I'm doing there. At least I think. All right, so now we need that projector thing. I'm assuming this just sits right there. Maybe this goes, or maybe it does, maybe it wants, we want that. Yeah, that's right, okay. So we're just gonna throw this white wire back here. I'm gonna connect that one up. I keep setting Bonnie off. Jesus. Okay. Which one am I hooking this up to? Is it this one? I think it's this one. Okay. All right. Now, his chest piece. And that goes right like that. All right, now for head. All right, just Give me a second, just wiring them up. Alright. Okay. Now we need its underlayer. Take off the clothes. I think this is his underlayer. Assuming it just goes right over. Assuming it just goes right over like that. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, it's right. So. Okay. Now cloak. Where's did I put his cloak? Right here. Alright. So I'm guessing this is the bottom here. Or is that the... What am I even looking at? Oh no. That's his arm. This is a big cloak, man. What? Did it rip? No. What am I even... I have no idea. Hold on. I'm gonna cut the video. Alright, I just put one of the arms on and now onto the second arm. So, sorry, I'm not talking a lot during this video. I'm kind of tired. I just set Bonnie off again. No, I'm just gonna leave her unplugged. Alright. That's my fan, sir. That can't be right. Is that right? I don't know. Is that right? Yeah. I think it's right. This guy's gonna be tall. Alright. Time for hands. This guy is really big. Hold up. There we go. All right. This guy's really big. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I did some rearranging, got Jack over there, Fire Demon over here. This guy is massive. Like, he would not be able to survive this fan up here. But without further ado, let's get him going. Maybe, oh, because I don't have him plugged in. Hold on. Okay, he's all set up, and let's get him going.
I carry the eternal flames.
Let's turn the lights on.
In my chest, where they will burn your soul.
He's really cool. I love this guy. I would say he's worth it. Yeah, I would say he's worth it. He's really, really cool. I do like him a lot. Yeah, if you're interested, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how excited you are for the upcoming Halloween, or the Halloween 2025 season, and I will see you all in the next one.